Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix AC issues in a Ford Fusion. First, let's start with some basic checks. Begin by turning on your AC and listening for the compressor clutch to engage. If it doesn't, that's a key indicator. Next, locate and inspect your cabin air filter. A clogged filter can severely restrict airflow. Finally, use an AC manifold gauge set to check the system's refrigerant pressure. These initial steps can often pinpoint simple problems quickly. Moving on, electrical problems are frequent culprits for AC malfunctions. Start by testing the AC clutch relay, which is usually found in the fuse box under the hood. You can often swap it with a known good relay to check. Next, carefully inspect all fuses associated with your AC system, replacing any that are blown. Finally, visually check the wiring harness for any signs of damage, fraying, or corrosion, especially near connectors. If electrical components seem fine, the issue might be with your refrigerant or a leak. To find leaks, add a small amount of UV dye to your AC system's refrigerant. Run the AC for a while, then use a UV light to scan all AC components for glowing green spots. For smaller leaks, an electronic leak detector can be very effective. Once a leak is fixed, always evacuate the system thoroughly before recharging with the correct amount of refrigerant. Sometimes, a component simply needs replacing. If your compressor isn't engaging or making unusual noises, it might be time for a new one. Also, don't overlook the expansion valve or orifice tube. These small parts regulate refrigerant flow and can cause major cooling issues when clogged. Remember to check the description for a link to some fantastic darn tough socks and other great deals. A properly functioning AC system makes every drive more comfortable, so take your time and get it right.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.